Okay, students, good morning to everyone. Students, some problems in circles. The radius of the circle passing through 6 2 and the equation of two normals for the circular x plus y is equal 6 and x plus 2y is equal 4. Students, here calculate the radius of the circle. Students, normal passing through center. Students, normal is diameter. Students, normal is diameter. Point of intersection of normals is center. Students, point of intersection of normals is center. Point of intersection of normals is center. Students, normal passing through center. So normal is diameter. Students, point of intersection of normals is center. So first point of intersection of normals. Point of intersection of normals. 1 minus 6 1 1. Second equation 2 minus 4 1 2. X by y by 1 by x by AD minus BC minus 4 plus AD minus BC. Formula minus, minus. Students, minus and minus plus 6 2 are 12. Y by AD minus BC minus 6 plus 4 1 by 2 minus 1. Students, x by 8 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal 1 by 1. Students, x is equal to 8, y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, center is 8 comma minus 2. Center is 8 comma minus 2. Students, circle passing through 6 2. Circle passing through 6 2. Center is 8 comma minus 2. So distance with center and any point on the circle is equal radius. R is equal, suppose this point is A, R is equal to CA. Students, R is equal to CA. Therefore, radius is equal to distance between 2 points. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. x1 minus x2 whole square, 6 minus 8 whole square, plus y1 minus y2 whole square, 2 minus or minus plus 2 whole square. So that is equal to 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, 4. 2 plus 2. Students, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 square, 16. 16 plus 4, root 20. Root 20 is equal to, students, 2 root 5. Students, root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. Root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. So R is equal to 2 root 5. R is equal to 2 root 5. Next problem, if the points 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, minus 2 and k, minus 2 are concyclic, then k is equal. Students, concyclic, 4 points lies on the circle. Students, first circle passing through, students, circle passing through 0, 0, a, 0, 0, b is formula x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. Students, this is A, this is B. So circle passing through 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, minus 2 is x square plus y square minus ax minus 2x minus by. B is equal to minus 2 plus 2y is equal to 0. So circle passing through 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, minus 2 is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y. Concyclic k, minus 2 lies on the circle. K, minus 2 lies on the circle. So k, minus 2, k square plus minus 2 whole square 4 minus 2 into k plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to k, y is equal to minus 2, k square minus 2 whole square 4 minus 2 into k plus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. K common, k into k minus 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 or k minus 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to 2. If a line passing through the point A, if a line passing through the point A, 3, 4, to cut this circle at P and Q, then AP into AQ is equal to, if a line passing through the point A cut this circle at P and Q, so AP into AQ is equal to, friends already discussed the theorem. So AP into AQ is equal to the line passing through the point A intersect this circle at P and Q. AP into AQ is equal to formula S11. S11. So that is equal here. Circle equation is, friends, to cut the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 4. To cut the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 at P and Q, then AP into AQ is equal. AP into AQ is equal to S11. So S11 is equal to x1 square. S11 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 4. Student, what is x1, y1? This is x1, y1. So 3 square plus 4 square minus 4. So 9 plus 16 minus 4. So that is equal to 21. Next problem, locus of the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents drawn one to each of the circle. Locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents is called directed circle. Since locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents drawn to each of the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square, and x square plus y square is equal to b square is formula x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So here x square plus y square is equal to a square 8, b square is equal to 12. Therefore, circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to 20. Friends, point of intersection of perpendicular tangents is called directed circle. So locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents drawn one to each of the circles, x square plus y square equal to a square and x square plus y square equal to b square is formula x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Here a square 8, b square 12. X square plus y square is equal to 20. Next problem, if the chord of this circle x square plus y square is equal to 8 makes equal intercept of length A on the coordinate axis. Friends, chord. What is the chord equation, friends? Equal intercept on the coordinate axis. In first straight line, x-intercept A, y-intercept B is equation is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Students, here intercepts are equal. So A is equal to B. X by A plus y by B is equal to A. LCM is A. X plus y by A is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to A. Student, here equation of chord is x plus y is equal to A, or x plus y minus A is equal to 0. Friends, here chord of this circle intersect the circle. Friends, here chord of this circle, chord intersect the circle. Chord intersect the circle formula D less than R. Does not intersect the circle, D greater than R. Touches the circle, D is equal to R. So intersect the circle, D less than R. Intersect the circle, D less than R. Does not intersect the circle, D greater than R. Does not intersect the circle, D greater than R. So intersect the circle, D less than R. What is D? D is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the chord. So D is equal to, first calculate D. D is equal to perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to chord. Chord equation x plus y minus A is equal to 0. So D is equal, friends, D is equal to perpendicular distance formula mod of AX1. A is 1, x1 is 0, 1 into 0. B y1, B is 1, 1 into 0 plus C minus A by root of A square. What is A, students? A is 1, 1 square B is 1 square. So D, this is D. D less than R. So what is R? This is R square. X square plus Y square equal R square. R is 2 root 2. D less than R. Less than 2 root 2. Students, this is 0, 0, minus A. Mod of minus A implies mod of minus A, this is root 2, is less than 2 root 2, is less than 2 root 2. Students, mod A is less than, so mod A is less than, so root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4. Mod A is less than 4. Mod A less than 4. Students, intersect this circle D less than R, does not intersect the circle D greater than R, touches the circle D is equal R. Next problem, two rods of length A and B slide along the coordinate axis such that their ends are concyclic. Locus of center of the circle is. So coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis are called coordinate axis. So two rods of length A. Students, length here given length of x-intercept A, length of y-intercept B. Their ends are concyclic. Locus of center of the circle is. Students, here given length of x-intercept, circle intersect x-axis and y-axis, students. So x-axis and y-axis. This length is A, this is B. Students, length of x-intercept formula 2 root g square minus c is equal to A. Students, squaring on both sides, 4 into g square minus c is equal to A square. G square minus c is equal to A square by 4. This is equation number 1. Next, students, length of y-intercept formula 2 root f square minus c, that is equal to B. Students, squaring on both sides, 4 into f square minus c is equal to B square. F square minus c is equal to B square by 4. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Here, locus of center, students. Locus of center. Students, locus of center. Students, 1 minus 2 implies equation 1 minus 2 implies equation 1 g square minus c minus equation number 2 left hand side f square minus c is equal to, students, right side a square by 4, right side a square by 4 minus b square by 4, minus b square by 4. Students, g square minus c minus f square minus into minus plus c, a square minus b square by 4. So minus c plus c get cancelled. 4 into g square minus f square is equal to a square minus b square. 4 into g square minus f square is equal to a square minus b square. Students, locus of center. Calculate locus of center. Students, what is center? Minus g comma minus f. 4 into, students, this is minus g whole square. So minus f square is can be written as minus f whole square is equal to a square minus b square. 4 into, students, locus of center. In place of minus g, locus of center is minus g comma minus f. Locus of center is replace minus g by x, replace minus f by y. So 4 into x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. 4 into x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. Next, students, equation of 4 circles are x plus or minus a whole square, y plus or minus a whole square, then radius of the circle touching 4 circles. Students, in first quadrant center a comma a, second quadrant minus a comma a, third quadrant minus a comma minus a, fourth quadrant A comma minus A. Students, equation of four circles, x plus or minus a whole square, y plus or minus a whole square, then radius of the circle touching the four circles, equation of four circles, x plus or minus a plus y plus or minus a, then the radius of the circle touching all the four circles, x plus or minus a whole square plus y plus or minus a whole square is equal, students, is equal to a square, Students, here radius center a comma a, radius also a. So touches, students, here circles are touches both the axes. This is second quadrant, first quadrant, four circles, students, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Students, C1. Student, C1 is a comma a, center a comma a, radius a comma a. Students, C1, C2, C3, C4. Students, here touching the four circles. One is in circle and another is x circle. Students, this is touching the four circles. This is the circle equation. Students, here calculate radius of the circle. Students, joining this one, students. Here formed right angle triangle, students. This is radius is a, this is also a, this is a, students, this is a, students. Suppose this point is, students, here angle is 90 degrees. C1 C3 whole square is equal to, students, this is hypotenuse, is equal to C3 C4 whole square plus C1 C4 whole square. Students, C1 C what, students, this is also, what is C3 C4, students? C3 C4, this is a 2a, this is 2a whole square. Students, C1 C4 also 2a whole square. Students, what is C1 C3, students? So here calculate radius of the, this is required circle, student. This is, suppose this is R, this is also R, students. Students, here C1 C3 is equal to a plus 2R whole square. Students, this is the required radius of required circle. Students, this is R, this is also R. Students, R, this is small r. Students, this is small r, this is R. Students, this is R, this is R. Students, this is 2R. 2R plus A. Students, 2A plus 2R whole square is equal to 2A whole square. 4A square plus 4A square is equal to 8A square. Is equal to 8A square. Is equal to 8A square. Students, 2A plus 2R whole square is equal to 8A square. 2A plus 2R is equal to root of 8A square. Root of 8A square. Root of 8A square. Root of 8A square, students. So 2A plus 2R is equal to root 8 is equal to 2 root 2 into A. So taking 2 common, 2 into A plus R is equal to 2 root 2A. So 2 get cancelled, students. So R is equal to root 2A minus A. So taking A common, this is root 2 minus 1. Students, inner circle is A into root 2 minus 1. Students, touching four circle, outer, this is outer circle, students. What is the outer circle, students? What outer circle is A into root 2 plus 1. Therefore, final answer is root 2 plus or minus 1 into A. Students, this is incircle radius. Radius of incircle. Outer radius of outer circle is A into root 2 plus 1. Therefore, radius of the circle is root 2 plus or minus 1 into A. A point P is at a distance of root 48 units from the center C. If the angle between the tangents at P is 60 degrees, then area of the triangle formed by the pair of tangents drawn from P and radii at the point of contact. Students, area of the quadrilateral is equal formula r into root s11. Students, here calculate radius and root s11. Area of quadrilateral formed by a pair of tangents and the radii is r into root s11. Students, a point P is at a distance of root 48 units from the center C. This is center, students. So a point P is at a distance root 48 units from the center C. This is root 48, students. And angle between the tangents. From external point, we can draw two tangents, students. This is 60 degrees, students, 60 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. Students, this is, here angle is 90 degrees. Students, this is root 48, students, root 48. This is root S11. Students, here calculate radius and root S11. Students, first calculate radius. This is hypotenuse, students. We know hypotenuse. Students, take sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equal opposite side. R hypotenuse is root 48. Sine 30 degrees is equal to r by root 48. Sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 is equal r by root 48 is equal 16 into 3. 16 is equal to 4. 4 root 3. Students, so 2 2s are 4. R is equal to root 3. Students, radius is equal to root 3. Next, calculate root S11, students, root S11. This is adjacent side, students. I am taking tan 30 degrees. I am taking tan 30 degrees is equal opposite side r by adjacent side is root S11. So that is equal r. R is equal to 2 root 3 by root S11. Root S11. Students, tan 30 degrees is equal 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal 2 root 3 by root S11. Students, root S11 is equal to root 3 into root 3. 3 2s are 6. So root S11 is equal 6. Students, area of quadrilateral is equal formula r into root S11. Area of quadrilateral is equal to formula r into root S11. What is radius, students? 2 root 3 into root S11 is equal 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 root 3 answer. 12 root 3.